haven't made videos in a while, so I figured today I'll go out. And the main reason I haven't made videos is because the microphone hasn't been working. But first things first. You need to die. And you need to die. Get out of here, buddy. So I haven't rode in a while, so I gotta air the tires up. Might as well let her warm up. This thing's even got juice in it. So here's the stock wheels for the Skyline. Pretty shot. One had a nail in it, so I had to air it up every day. So I got new wheels for that hog. Looking a little better than the stocks. Not the wheels I wanted, but they were cheap, and I mainly got them because I needed tires. So now we've got wheels and tires. I honestly don't know if air even went in the tires. Do I have gas here? We'll top her off quick. Good enough. Okay, so I haven't been like making any videos because my microphone's been not working. So ever since I changed to the GoPro 5, which is like the better camera than my 3, I could never use a microphone until I bought the $50 GoPro adapter. So I did finally. And then I bought another microphone, a better one. And it just, anytime I was riding and the motor was, you know, making noise, it just made all the audio go complete trash. So I tried 3 different microphones, 2 different adapters, same thing, tried all the settings in the camera, nothing. So every time I went out and rode, it was just wasted. So now I got the GoPro 3 back on with the same microphone and a new adapter, the same setup I've always used that's never let me down once. So if this audio doesn't work, then I literally give up and I'll have to try using my 360 camera or something, I don't know. But that's like the reason I haven't really been doing anything, because every time I go out and make a video I have to delete it all because the audio doesn't work. So this is my first time trying to go back to the GoPro 3, see if it works. Guess we'll find out. So I'm just going to go on a little rip through town, not riding with anybody, mainly just to test this microphone, see if this is going to work. I just mowed and weed whacked, so I'm all sticky and covered in grass and itchy, trying to clean my shoes off from all the grass. But yeah, so this is just basically a test to see if I have to go back to this camera, since I have like 5 or 6 batteries for this one, but they're all like, I have like 2 original GoPro ones, and then I have like 3 or 4 like off-brand, and like the off-brand ones work, but they don't hold a charge for very long at all. Like it's like 10 minutes to rotate a battery, even if I'm not filming, just having the camera on. The GoPro ones last a little longer, but still not like they should. So if this fixes my audio stuff, I'm gonna have to just buy more batteries for this camera and deal with using this one, and then use my other cameras for, I don't know, something else. Kind of dumb, but maybe that's what I gotta do. Dude, I've been sitting here forever. Finally someone pulled up behind me. Maybe they'll make this light work, because it's been like 5 minutes. It's annoying. Finally. Jesus. One thing I hate about riding this thing. It's like I get to a light by myself, and like I just have to sit there for like 5 minutes until another car pulls up to set the light off. That gets annoying after a while. actually went that way, so I didn't have to sit at the light I usually have to sit at, and then I sit at a different one for even longer. Story of my life. What is going on? That was a Camaro with a fart can on it. That's good stuff right there. Show them how it's done. I was gonna have a fat wheelie, but I just didn't. Didn't want there to be no Sunday cops sitting out here. Right, my rear brake squeaks so bad. I need to like get new pads. These are like brand new. I bought the fancy ones with like the slots in them. And they don't seem like they are any different than the stock ones that came in here when it was, you know, 50 years old. They just look cooler, but now they squeak, which is like super annoying. And I have to use my rear brake like sometimes because my brake light is only ran to my rear brake, not from the front brake. So I can't just, I have to like push it down to have the light up if there's people behind me and this and that. But, oh well, not a big deal. For first wheelie in a couple weeks, 65 mile an hour. Shifting to fifth with this motor is like way different than shifting from third to fourth with the 140. That would just kind of click right in. Going from fourth to fifth on this is just kind of like, you don't know if it's gonna go all the way in or if it's gonna like rev up and jerk you off the back. I don't know, it's just kind of like, doesn't feel as smooth. Here's that fresh road. I want this person to go first. Look at this road. You betcha. You betcha. Make sure there's no policemen coming. Fender. Oh, I love it. It's crazy. As soon as I bring it up, it always just catches crazy wind. Like I can feel the handlebars and everything. Makes me laugh. But when I'm going straight, like when it's down, it doesn't wiggle at all. Only when I bring it up. It's like a parachute. This thing's probably like pretty overdue for an oil change. It's been a while. Why is this under construction? Who knows? But yeah, this thing's probably about due for an oil change. I should probably do that here pretty soon and check the valve lash. Anyway. Something to the bridge. Get over this hill, maybe I can rip a wheelie. Oh great, there's a cop down there. Well, so much for that wheelie. till I get on my road and I'll rip another fat one. Past all the people that can't stand me. I don't think they've seen me go by like more than once or twice on both wheels, which is kind of funny, but also like kind of bad. I just took a bug to the helmet so hard I could feel it. Oh my god. Gross. Alright, I guess we could rip one right here maybe. Hopefully this guy's not outside, he always is. I don't know. Not today. God, this motor's gotta hate me. Just chugging along 72. Not even full throttle. Better let her cool down. This thing hates me, I bet. Whatever. Whatever. Still rips. Alright, well, that was a short little run, but worth it. And at least I'll know if this microphone works. Or if I just gotta buy a whole new, I don't know, expensive microphone. We did 73.2, that's not terrible. God, it's hot. Also, where is it? I don't even know where it's at. Limited edition. Uh-oh. Okay, so they're so limited. I don't even know where I put them. That's always good. Well, I guess that's how limited edition they are. I made some Bowl and Built stickers. That's what I did. I made Bowl and Built stickers. First ones ever made. And then I lost them apparently. Don't know where they're at.